Alright, okay, now mic is working. Welcome to my channel. I forgot to tell you the working in my previous video that I tell you about the loops. We just started loops by doing the for loop. But in this video, I'm going to tell you the working of for loop as well as while loops and working of while loops also. Without wasting any time, let's start it. I just created a simple program which is just printing 1 to 10 counting. Let's see how it is working, how it is printing that, how it is doing that thing. It's just integer. We created an integer variable I which is equal to 1. Okay, at the starting of the code the I is equal to 1. Okay, now after this, after doing this, he moves over here and see, is I is less than or equal to 10. Yeah, I is less than 10. It just moves down inside the loop. He goes inside loop, and if this condition is false, he just jump out from the loop and do the next thing, which is over there, like out and done, like that. He's going to print this thing when this condition is false. Until this condition is true, he is going to go inside the loop again and again. How? Condition is true, he moves inside and he just prints I, and then leave a line, go to the next line, and then after this thing he moves again up and reaches over there, and he over here is I plus plus, means we are incrementing, we are doing incrementing in this, that I plus 1. If you don't know incrementing, so go and check my playlist, whole playlist, access my whole playlist, and in that there is a video which I am telling you what is the increment. So this is the previous video for loops. Go and check that. If you are not watching this from the starting, so I suggest you to watch it from the starting. Now after incrementing it, the value is 2. He goes over there, not over here. Over here is just going only once at the starting of the program. After that he's never going to go over there. Go to condition, from there I is now 2. Let's make it 2. I is equal to 2 now, equal to 2, and condition is still, the condition is true. He goes inside the loop and print it, and after that he moves out from the loop. He go into this I plus, then he again incremented it. Now I is 3, and 3 is less than 10. Condition is again true. He just did that, and still the condition, for example, it just moves that for 4, then 5, until 5 until 10. If it 10, for example, you just move there, now I is 10, you just check, condition is still true because it is not less than 10, it is less than equal to 10. Yeah, then the condition is again true. He moves inside, prints 10, and move to over there, incremented it. Now I is 11. Now I is 11, and the condition is false. He just jump out from the loop. Now if we, after printing done, if I try to if I want to print the I again, sorry, want to try to print this I again. Now value is not 10, the value of I is not 10, the value of I is now, what is doing, the value of I is now 11. What is it doing? Wait. Yeah, that's the problem. Because it is inside the loop is not run. I don't know what it don't have to do like that. Uh, let's try to run it. Like that. Run it. See, after that it just prints 11 because we incremented it over there. So this is the thing that I have to show you. This is the, I can say, over, if you created 100 programs and there is only one or two programs which is going to do like this thing, you need the extra value of it at the end of the loop. When the loop is finished, then what is the value of I? There are some kind of, they are rarest cases, they are rare programs which is doing this thing, so in that we use it. This is the whole working of for loop. If you not get the working of for loop, no problem, try it yourself. You got an idea, try make 2 or 3 programs of for loop and try to tell yourself that this is the working, explain it to yourself, and I'm 100% sure you're going to get it. Now let's learn for while loop. For that, what is that? I don't know I just forgot all the syntax of while loop because I don't use it much. I just use for loop. I have a little bit idea for that. But let's see. Yeah, you can also take this flow diagram, flow chart, which is going to explain you the whole working of for loop, while loop. You can go with net and just go to Google and search for it. And this. Okay, I got it. In this this program, I'm going to comment that this is the for loop, and now we are going to learn while loop. While loop, I created my own text editor for programming. You can also use it. I'm going to put it publicly after testing it I think so in 2 or 3 days, or I think so if I don't get time, then while we are learning Python, I'm teaching you Python, then I'm going to use that editor and you can also use it for the same. It's not much good intelligent text editor, is not IDE or an intelligent, it's not IDE, that one IDE, it's my own IDE, that intelligent declaration editor. Intelligent means intelligent declare editor, we can say. Means it is just catch it what we are trying and just put it. It's just kind of my rough example or rough definition. Sorry. Let's see. Integer I equal to 0. I'm going to write the whole program, the same program, and after that I'm going to tell you that what is the difference between for loop and while loop. You can use either for loop or while loop. I just like to use the for loop, but in most of the cases, most of the programmers, the professionals also use this while loop. They consider while loop much, but I don't know why I'm using for loops. I'm going to try the while loops. Okay. While mm, I just shouldn't associate to this now. Yeah, now it's completed this one line also. The program is same. You can either use this or this. This is just looking much cleaner and neater because I don't put the spaces over there and I don't like them. Let's remove it from there also. I don't know why I put that. So this is a while loop. Run it and see what is the output. This output is same. And while loop and done for loop. Yep, like that. Now uncomment that and run it. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 done for loop, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 done while loop. See, the output is same. What is the difference? You can either use that, either use that. Now let's see. We are initializing the variable instead of here over here. We have to be before this while, or we can say before the condition, we have to initialize that. We can also do same with this. Instead, this is not compulsory. Instead of sorry, this is compulsory to add this thing. It just tells that we are using I variable and declare it over there integer I, like that. But for now I'm going to put the same, like that. We are initializing it over there before this condition. Now after that, while in the brackets we are putting condition, incrementing instead of over there, we are incrementing it over here and printing it the same. Now again I'm going to tell you the working of while loop. Concept is 100% same. If you not get this one, try to focus over here that I'm going to explain the working again. A little bit change in working. If you get this one working or any one of the working from these two loops, it means you got the another one. A little bit changes over there. In this, what we are doing, okay, there is an I which is equal to 1. Alright, now next, I is less than equal to 10. Yeah, I is 1. It is the condition is true. It moves inside. Print I. It prints 1. Then I plus plus. I goes 2. Out from that over there. Yeah, condition is again true because I is now 2. Printing it, incrementing it. You got it. How this while loop is working in this way, and this loop is working in this is in this way. This like that. This. He's just putting round is half round, a semicircle, round. This is much complex. If you are beginner, it is much difficult to understand the working of it if you are not focus on it. You didn't did the focus if you are not focusing on it. But the working of this is simple, like it's just there are circles. this, initialize it. Okay, this condition true, print it, increment it, condition true, print it, increment it, just like that, a simple round. So this is the while loop and working of while loop. Let's create a program in while loop, or I'm giving you a program to write a program in while loop uh, to write a program um, to printing table of 1, not I, 1, or just printing the table of 5 and 10, or just make it simple, just print the table of 5. This is your in while loop. Just complete this challenge, go in the comment section, write the program. If you are, I think I every single video, no one is doing that. I don't know, there are some people who is doing it, but they are not commenting it. They are trying it, but they are not commenting it. Do not worry, do not take any tension. Write in the comment section if you are wrong. I am going to pick your program and try to run it and tell you what are the errors you are doing. If there is any error, tell to me. I'm trying to fix it, and there are some errors that every beginner not got get, sorry, every beginner get. uh, in that, if you are learning your first programming language using this, you are just using Visual Studio or any of the IDE, and sometimes there is an error occur. The internal and external command, I think so, is not recognized, something like errors like that. If you're getting that error, go in the comment section, just write in the comment section, I'm getting that error, hashtag I'm getting that error. I'm going to make a video on that, how to fix that error and install it properly. In this series, I don't tell you how to install the C++, you can go and check it in from the another videos, but from the next videos, from the next series, if you are trying to try to tell you a programming language, then I'm going to focus it on. In my first video, we are going to make a program, simple hello world program in that language, and I'm going to tell you how to install that language and set up a whole of thing. Now I'm not talking about any game development, I'm just talking about the programming languages. After completing the C++ and I think so Python, I'm going to focus on my another videos related to game development, focusing on game development. I think about a live stream. In that live stream, we are going to talk about all the game development. I don't know when I'm going to, because I don't have much subscribers and not much viewers. I'm not getting much views, so I'm going to do it. If I knew that 100 on, not 100, they are on the live, when I live stream on my live stream, 50, I just want 50 watching. I just want to see only 50 watching, 50 people watching. I want to see that 50, only 50. No, okay, not 50, only 20. This is not final, only 20. Just please help me, please subscribe my channel if you want to learn game development and software and just programming, related to programming. Just subscribe my channel. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Please make sure to complete this one program. Alright, so bye bye.